Looking back on the preliminary tasks and our final piece, I can see that everything we did greatly impacted the way we filmed and the outcome of our final piece. Doing the tasks such as primary research and finding out about the thriller conventions and what people thought was too cliche and what they kind of wanted in our film greatly impacted what we have produced. Our primary research into thriller conventions led us to a crime at the core of the narrative, themes of voyeurism, and complex enigmas. Storyboarding, however long it takes to do, is also such a big help when it came down to the actual filming of our piece. We used our storyboards and it helped us to organise our shots a lot more clearly. We knew which shots we needed to get, and all we had to do was check our storyboard to make sure we got everything we needed. However, I don't think our storyboard was detailed enough as it should have been. It would have been a better idea to start off with maybe quite a simple storyboard and then going off from this one, expanding on the shots, creating different shots for the same moment, as this would have given us a lot more to work with when it came to editing our final product. I felt that a lot of the shots that I got to shoot improved over time. The more you spend with the camera, the steadier my hand got, and I got used to working with the camera, so it was a lot easier to kind of just go from shooting to like pausing and everything like that. And I think this greatly benefited the overall look of the film. After the filming and editing, I'm definitely now a lot more confident with the equipment. Just practicing with the editing programs during preliminary tasks made me understand so much more of what I was doing in order to create a final, better product. Also, using the equipment for filming became easier and less time consuming. Like I said, we weren't fumbling around when setting up equipment. We got in, we set up, we shot, and we got out. It was a lot more organised and easier to work with. Overall, I think our final pieces worked out quite well, though it took a lot to get there. I feel my group needed to be a bit more organised with things like times and storyboards, making sure we had everything we needed and we made sure that we got enough shots and footage that we needed. And I think that sometimes we didn't work as well together as a team as we should have done. I think that could have saved a lot of time and effort on our part. Though ultimately I am pleased with our final product and I enjoyed the experience and have learned a lot from it.